Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is Dark Crown from Dark Crown Studios. So today we're going to be showing you how to put your iPad Mini 4 into your Otterbox case. So here we have our iPad, and here is the bottom of the case right here. Put this over so you guys can see better. So all you do is you just unwrap your iPad, just like that. Make sure you don't have anything on your screen. So that no matter what you do, you always get stuff on your screen. So they make left-free cloths for that. Alright, so we're going to set the iPad down in here. Make sure that we don't have anything on the screen, which we do. I don't understand the way I have stuff on a new screen. Hold on one second. Let me sit down for this, so I can see a little better. Just going to clean this up a little bit. Alright, I think we got it. So now, it's time to put the top of the screen on. And basically just snaps into place. Snap it in like this. Uh-oh, one second. I've already seen an issue that we want to have. Because this piece is not clearing the screen. Oopsies. Wipe this off one more time. That's what pisses me off about electronics. Is no matter how much you wipe on it, you don't never get it cleaned. There's always more and more dirt. Alright, let's try this again. So this time we're going to do the bottom first. And you can do each side. Just like so. Alright, make sure that snaps on real good. Just go all the way around the surface. Just like so. Let me wipe this off. And then all you do next is you just put it in here. And there you go. So this has been putting your iPad mini into your Otterbox case. Alright guys, well I want to thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you like, comment, subscribe. And definitely stay on our channel for other videos. We definitely appreciate all the support we can get. Till next time, we'll catch you guys later.